Not really.
Oh, this is a set. Okay. This is something like 2.2 and this is 3.2. 3.2, guys.
Do you need the rest of it?
I need this again. This one.
The phone?
Yeah.
This one?
No need for this?
No.
This one.
You still have it.
No, that one is bigger than this. It's for sandwich, right? Look. 5 meter. This is what we have there. We have here at home, so it's like 2 dinners, like $7 each shot.
Here, come. Yes. I think. This one. Right?
Oh yes, totally. This is the one. Fine.
Ayan.
Because of the freaking hand. What is that for?
Oh. Can you try it?
We have to cut.
And when you're on the bed, what's your scenario?
What's the height of the bed? I've asked you to
500.
what's the height for that.
Let's get the ruler. There we go. Yala. Check.
What? 50? Centimeters or inches?
Centimeters.
Are you sure? That's too low, right?
50.
From
the floor.
50 centimeters? Only this one?
Oh. So means it's okay.
So if I was lying like this, then we can actually...
Check the sofa. How much is the sofa? From the floor.
Oh, this is too... Oh. Sounds like... 36 centimeters?
Now check the actual height of the table.
Here. It's like what?
150. It's gonna be tight, but I think it's okay.
But we have side table on the right side. We should have it, or what do you think it is?
After the side table.
Oh, okay. It makes sense. Okay. I think we can have this one.
Can you please check the
The price
code, the aisle number?
is 13.99. May I have your mobile, please?
Where's your mobile?
It's there in my bag. So here, so we can get it from the aisle, from their storage. This one. Here. Look.
Where's the English?
We are here now, guys, in IKEA's restaurant and cafe. How much here their coffee? It's unlimited, right? Is it 700 fils or 600 fils?
I think 700. Then it's a big price tag.
In here for now. Okay. So guys, this is my favorite shrimp. Shrimp tempura, or they call it shrimp crispy panko. So I asked this mushroom sauce and garlic sauce. So normally they have this sweet sauce, right, for shrimp. Anyhow, so I'm just thinking to treat myself. Always treating myself for something. And this is the carrot cake. And this is the coffee. We have unlimited coffee here for 700 fils. But before it used to be, like 600 fils. The kids are enjoying it while they dance. Asleep.
Yes.
Just gonna eat this because Aiden as well, this is his favorite shrimp tempura. Okay, let's dig in, guys.
Right, so this is the bargain corner. Where you can find stuff that is on sale. Usually these are like open items. They sell it for cheaper. Okay guys, so we are at the end of the store and we are at the warehouse. So it's time to look for the table that we just selected. So this is the warehouse. Big place.
Okay.
So it says what? 4? I don't know, it's Arabic, but it says 4 and 5. So let's start by
5?
going to aisle 4.
I think I'm gonna bet aisle 5. Aisle 5.
Aisle 4.
For me, aisle 5. We will be able to find it.
Aisle 4 and
Row
row
5.
number 5. So this is Aisle number 4 and section 5. Aisle number 4, section 5. These are not the ones. There's something wrong.
See, I'm right. It's in aisle
So maybe aisle 5, section 4. So it's on the other side. So 5, section 4.
It's
This one.
2.502.49.
This one.
Okay.
Out of stock.
Holy crap.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Unfortunately,
Oh God.
it's empty. So it's out of stock. Quang, quang, quang.
So we decided to buy the TV stand
No.
instead of my table. It's like 16 dinars. It's quite cheap one. It's made of steel, right? It's made of steel. For a TV stand, that's like really a good price. Okay guys, so this is the last part of this vlog. Okay, so Aiden finally woke up but then he's hungry, so we bought him some hot dog and ice cream. It's only 1 dinar with the coke on it, and then ice cream is like 300 plus.
Okay.
Later, we'll give it to you. Okay, hope you enjoyed our tour for today in IKEA.